Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix Facebook dating not showing up. So first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Facebook. Click on the Facebook and you need to update your Facebook application. Once you done that, you simply need to open the settings of your smartphone. Once you are in settings of your smartphone, go into the app management and click on app list. Here you need to search for the Facebook. Click on that. The first step you need to click on storage and cache, and here you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage, and then you need to allow all permissions from here. And once you done that, you need to go back and restart your smartphone and open Facebook. Then you need to click on your profile picture, and here you can see an option of dating, but here you can see that still I am unable to see that option. So you need to go back and click on, and you need to open any browser and search for Facebook dating available countries. So click on that, and here you can see that currently Facebook dating is available in USA, Canada, Mexico, Brazil, Argentina, Peru, Kyle, Colombia, Thailand, Vietnam, Laos, Malaysia, Singapore, the Philippines, and several European countries. So if you belong to any of these countries, you have that feature, but currently I am in another country, so that's why that option is not available in my that country. So if you belong to those countries, you can easily get that feature once you complete all the steps that I mentioned previously. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.